For this module, we'll be implementing Amazon Web Services. At this time, let's go back to the training portal, and you'll type in your username, which is your email address, and your password, and click Sign In. You'll then come back to the training portal as we had earlier. This time, we're going to go down to the instructional videos and labs. I'm sorry, we'll go to the AWS self-paced labs. At this time, you will click Quick Labs. Under the Quick Labs, let me sign out first. When you get to Quick Labs, your screen will look like similar to this. If you have not created an account yet for Quick Labs, you'll have to go through here where it says no account yet, join here, and you'll fill out the join here information. Again, you will use Colorado Tech, your email address that you were using previously, and your password. And then click in I am not a robot. Once you do that, it will then take you, it'll create your account, and after you get your everything set up, you'll be back to the sign in where you can sign in again. And at this time, you'll just sign in, and then you'll be able to get to this screen. At this screen, we'll be doing 2 labs during this particular module. So to get to the labs that we're going to be using, click right here where it says Browse the Lab Catalog. In this area, note there are quests and there are labs. You will click where it says Labs. There are 123 labs in here. Please note that all the labs where the cost is free, all of these labs are free. You can peruse them at your convenience, and the ones that have a credit, 1 credit, 8 credits, 10 credits, and up to 15 credits. Okay? For those labs, you'll be prompted to buy credits if you'd like to complete those labs. But for this module, we're just going to be working with the free labs. So there's only 2 labs we're going to be doing. The first lab is Intro to Amazon Simple Storage Service. And the next lab we'll be doing will be Intro to Amazon DynamoDB. Those are the 2 labs that we will be doing for this particular unit. So I'll take in the first one, Intro to Amazon Simple Storage. Here, first you'll review, it tells you how long it should last, it should take to complete this lab. There's a overview of what you will learn during this lab, the topics that will be covered, the technical prerequisites, no previous experience is required, and then it starts with educating you as far as what you need to do. You read through the lab, and it'll be best to minimize this so you can kind of walk through it, because it's going to actually take you into AWS, adding an object, and you'll follow all the steps as outlined here. Okay, now to start the lab, all you'll need to do is click up top where it says Start Lab. At this point, the lab has now started, and you will actually be doing what you see here. And to go to the console, you'll click here where it says Open Console. And again, when you open the console, you'll be following the steps as they're outlined here on the right. Okay, so you can see what the console looks like. Let me log out. Okay, now that I've changed the credentials, again, you will click on Start Lab. I accidentally went to the wrong one. Okay, sorry about that. The to go back, the again, we're doing the from the catalog, we're doing the introduction to Amazon Simple Storage Service. And to get it started, we just click on Start Lab. Yeah, I just have too many accounts. Now, once you started the lab, then you can now go to Open Console. When the console opens, this is what you'll see. This is just exactly what it would look like if you had a full Amazon account. And again, you'll be following the steps as outlined on the previous screen. Okay, so that concludes how to implement AWS, how we're going to be implementing some of the services within Amazon Web Services. And again, the two labs we'll be covering will be the Intro to Amazon S3 and Intro to Amazon DynamoDB.